Happy Monday, Castle team. This is Katrina and Amanda here with this week's Castle Communication, where we are breaking barriers and building futures. First of all, some updates. CASP testing continues this week for 3rd through 6th grades. Please let us know if you've changed your testing dates or you need a new CASP calendar. Remember, 3rd through 6th grade can do their own ELD and walk to learn during this time.
We are starting up Inspire Labs again this week for the 3-week Green Energy Unit. So we look forward to hearing your feedback on this new integrated unit.
And then we have our instrumental assemblies today, Monday. 9 o'clock, we'll have kindergarten through 3rd grade in the multi-purpose room. And then at 1:30, we'll have 4th through 6th grade.
And then tomorrow will be the instrumental concert at 6 p.m. in the multi-purpose room. Please come out and support the A in STEAM and come to the concert.
All right, and then for awards, we will not have April awards this week. We're actually going to combine April and May monthly awards and just do one set of awards for both months. Those will be distributed during our end of the year awards assemblies. We will send out a schedule for that in the next week.
95% group cycle 9 starts today and will go through May 11th. You should have that schedule in your box.
All right, now some reminders. Coast to Coast will continue to be on campus Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we do have basketball for 5th and 6th grades. Please remind your students to report for their games.
Champion a Child continues. Please make an effort to meet with your student daily and then turn in the tally sheet weekly. The box is behind Natalie's desk.
And then this week you have grade level PLCs on Wednesday.
We are at that time where there are students who need to make up their CASP tests. Please make sure you complete the performance task before you start scheduling makeups, and then email Katrina and me if you need support with the makeup exams.
All right, and then we have our bridal shower for Alyssa Dietz this Wednesday, the 2nd at 3 o'clock p.m. We look forward to seeing everybody in the library.
And then we will be hosting our last Chatelatte of the year this Friday at 8:30. Please remind your parents that this is a free event for them to come and just chat with the principals regarding what's happening at school. We'll also be sending a flyer out.
All right, now for some shout outs. We wanted to thank Bree, Jill, Kami, and Grant for participating in our UVA spring retreat last Friday. We appreciate you guys being there and doing your sub plans.
And a thank you to Jamie, Shannon, Emilio, Misty, Becky, Tony, and Cody for all of their hard work in developing the integrated green unit that will be the focus of the lab rotations. Thank you so much.
And then thank you to Lou for taking our 6th graders to Math Field Day this past Saturday. They did an outstanding job.
A big thank you to our 4th grade team, Ashley, Michelle, Crystal, and Lauren, for motivating students during the CASP testing by creating the inspirational bulletin board in the NPR, the testing spirit days, the inspirational quotes on their windows, etc., etc. Thank you so much.
And then Kim and Dawn, thank you for watching over the office on Secretary's Day so that we could take our wonderful secretaries, Natalie, Destiny, and Amanda, out for lunch.
Thank you to John, Julie, Michelle, Stephanie, Cassia, and Katie for testing our incoming kindergartners this past Wednesday. Your help is very much appreciated.
And then thank you to Amanda Robinson, Shelley, Kim, Jackie, Bree, and Jill for support during testing.
And then last but certainly not least, thank you to John and Lisa, Shelley, and Amanda Robinson for organizing our last Walk to Learn cycle. All right, Castle staff, thank you for listening, and please remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.